Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this new video I'll be talking you about my new bike, which is an Honda MTX from 1989. It has a two-stroke engine and they want to restore it, so let's go! So in this video I will show you the bike and the main things I have to do, and in next videos I will show you all the process and all the things I will repair. As you can see, we repaired the bike near the beach because it's important to enjoy the summer. And regarding the bike, the most urgent thing I want to do is to repair the engine and to paint, as you can see, the engine to black. Also, I have to do some electrical works because the lightings at this moment are not working, and I have to pass soon the vehicle inspection test, and so I have to repair it. As you can see here, I've repaired the turn signals. Now they are working. Here you have some nice views of the beach, because it is important also. And now we are going to repair the front light lighting. There were some cables unadjusted, and we repaired it. So as you can see now it is working fine, as you can see. I will repair and paint the plastics. I will paint also the rims. I will repair the exhaust system also. And as you can see now, the fuel tank, I have to repair it also and paint in white. So this is a work in progress, guys, and I hope in next videos you will see very big progress. So for the moment that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as you can see, afterwards we went to eat a burger because it is also important. And see you in next videos, guys.